Welcome to Great Escapes, North Texas, where family fun comes with a side of s'mores and sunshine.
From splashing in the water to roasting marshmallows by the fire, this is where families reconnect and the good times never clock out. Get ready to make a splash!
Spend your days cooling off in the pools, racing across the Whibbit floating obstacle course, or letting the kids run wild at the splash pad. Bounce the energy out on the jumping pillow, then soak up the sunshine as the smiles keep coming.
The fun keeps rolling with family-friendly competitions and all-day laughs.
Dig for hidden treasures at gem mining. Challenge the family to a round of mini golf. Team up for an action-packed game of laser tag, or hop aboard a wagon ride through the park. You can take a spin in the mini cars or grab a bite from the cafe when it's time to refuel. With themed events, daily activities, and special appearances from Biscuit the Camping Corgi for possum character experiences, you'll never hear the words "I'm bored" while staying with us. When it's time to unwind, you've got options. Snuggle up in a cozy cabin or roll in with your RV. However you stay, it's all about slowing down, reconnecting, and soaking up every laugh-filled moment. Great Escapes North Texas is your go-to for family fun, endless laughs, and the kind of memories you'll talk about long after the campfire's out. Ready to join the fun? Book your getaway today and start making memories at Great Escapes North Texas.